The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Red Lake County in northwestern Minnesota, northeastern Norman County in northwestern Minnesota, southeastern Polk County in northwestern Minnesota, south central Beltrami County, northern Mahnomen County in northwestern Minnesota, Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota, until 6 a.m. At 5:02 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hewitt to near Gary, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bemidji, Foston, Red Lake Falls, Bagley, Fertile, McIntosh, and Clear Brook. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.